Hey guys, today's video I'm gonna making some fried fish. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be starting off with mixing up my seasonings. We have here some black pepper, seafood seasoning, some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and a bit of ginger powder. I'll just give this a good mix and then set it aside. I have 3 red snapper fish here that I've already cleaned and washed. They've been soaking in some lemon juice and a bit of vinegar. Now I'm just going to take some paper towel and just pat them dry. You want to make sure that the fish is as dry as possible to get them ready to fry. I'm just going to put a couple slits in so that the seasoning can get into the fish really well. And then I'll just rub my seasoning into the fish, making sure it gets all nice and coated. Once that's all done, I'll just set the fish aside as I prepare my vegetables. Now for the vegetables, I've cut up some red and orange sweet peppers, sliced onion, some carrots, and about a quarter piece of scotch bonnet pepper. You can use as much scotch bonnet pepper as you like, depending on your spice tolerance. Now it's time to fry the fish. Now I've got my frying pan on medium to high heat. I'm going to add some oil. I believe it's about a quarter cup. And I'm just going to wait for the oil to heat up. And then I'll be adding in my fish. Now I'm going to let the fish fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then I'll flip them over and I'll let them fry on the other side for an additional 4 to 5 minutes. Now that the fish is done, I will remove it from the frying pan and place on a dish. I'll also be removing a bit of the oil from the frying pan as well, as I'll only need a little bit to fry my vegetables. Now I'll add all my vegetables into the frying pan, and I'm just going to saute the vegetables for about 2 minutes. So I'm going to start seasoning the vegetables. I'll be using about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the leftover seasoning that we had earlier. I'll also be adding in some allspice, and then I'll be adding in about 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. And that's it. You're all done. Now I'm just going to take my vegetables and place them over the fried fish. If you like today's recipe, please make sure to give this video a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a new video.